got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. I'm wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. And I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep this smile on my face. Lose control, yeah, I'm all over the place. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're so pretty man. Your family's all full and slap you on the back and say, please, please. And so on, boys and girls. Well, hi there, it's Ivor Sawfingers again with another classic song, this one from Stealers Wheel and a song called Stuck in the Middle. Standard tuning, no capos, okay, doing it in the key of D as per the original track. The main difference is that the original track, the acoustic part I believe was played by a 12 string, not a 6 string, and the 12 string was actually detuned by a whole step. And you'll see if you watch a video of them, starts off by looking, he looks like he's playing an E chord, but because he's got his guitar tuned down by a whole step, it's actually a D chord, but it's you know, that's the way it is. So to keep everything simple, I've left it in standard tuning. I've not detuned the guitar at all. Okay, so it's just this is a sort of campfire version, if you like, easy peasy. Right, so it starts off with this little intro, which is quite quiet on the original track. It's quite difficult to actually hear exactly what's going on, but I'll make it something like this. Okay, so what I'm doing there, I'm starting off with a D chord, down and up, yeah, and then I'm playing this sort of a partial sort of C with this D in the bass, or you could call it some form of A minor, but it's just two fingers. I'm playing the 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string, with two fingers, whichever two fingers you want. 4th string is open and the top E string is open. And I'm trying to hit those 4 strings, okay? The next chord is a partial G6. So I'm playing 1st finger 3rd fret 2nd string, 2nd finger 4th fret G string, 3rd string, open 4th again, top E string open. So now we've got this. Just one stroke on each of those two chords, okay? So, and then move this shape down 2 frets. So the 1st finger is now playing the 1st fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger 2nd fret of the G string, the 3rd string, open 4th, open top. Do a couple of strums on that one, so it's, and then take this 1st finger off, leave the other finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 4 down to 1, and then put it back again. So it's, and then you just repeat the whole thing. Okay? Did a couple of times, or how many times you want, 3 times, 4 times, however. Then we're into the song, alright? And then it's like, it's that sort of thing, da 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 da, two strokes, up strokes on the end of it. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. Got the feeling that it ain't right. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I play a G7th. I hear a 7th there. Straightforward G7th, or you could play a G. It's up to you. If you like G better, play a G, 3 fingers or 4 fingers. I hear a G7th there. Okay, so, well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my my chair, back to D, and I'm wondering how to get down the stairs. Right, and then we go to an A chord. Clowns to the left of me, C. Jokers to the G7th, right. Okay, so that's A. Clowns to the left of me, C. Jokers to the G7th, right. Here I, D, am stuck in the middle with you. Got that? So it's A. Clowns, sorry, play the A first. Clowns to the left of me, C. Jokers to the G7th, right, or G, whichever you like better. Here I, D, am stuck in the middle with you. Then we go into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play. Okay. Oops, looks like we're being joined by my cat. So let's just do from the beginning again, up to the end of the first verse, okay, and the first chorus. Okay, so here we go. The feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. Second verse. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what else I should do. G7, it's so hard to keep a smile on my face. Back to D, losing control, I'm all over the place. A, clowns to the left, C to G7, over to the right, D, I'm stuck in the middle with you. Now we're going to the middle section, okay? G7, I'm playing a G7 again. You can play a G or a G7, whichever you think sounds better, okay? So take us stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're still a good man. Back to D. Now what I do is try and do something that's in the record other than just a straightforward D. If you fancy doing something slightly different, so if you just want to keep it straight, you go, well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're still a good man. Back to G7 and your family's all calling, slap you on the back and say D, stop. Now an A minor 7th. It's like an A minor with the third finger off, open third string, 5 down to 1, release. And then you're off into the D strum again in another verse. Okay. But what I'll try to fit in something of the lead work, a little bit of lead phrasing on the chord there, was that when it goes into that, well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're self-made man. That, and then you're back to da, 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 da. Okay. All I was doing there was playing like an A chord, 3 fingers, on the 5th fret, and striking that and sliding it up to the 7th fret, and then reversing it, striking that and sliding it down to 5. Okay, and do it twice. It's a bit like the Kinks number, isn't it? All day and all the night or something. Right, so. Okay, and then you're back to the G7 for the next line. Your family all come calling and slap you on the back and say D, stop please. Cowbell, and then A minor 7th, please. And then you're back to. Got it? So let's just do the. Let's go from the second verse, okay, and then we'll do the chorus and this bridgy section again. So coming out of the first chorus, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smell on my face, lose control, yeah, I'm all over the place. Clowns to the left to me, jokers to the right, here I am stuck in the middle with you. G7. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're self-making man. Your family all come calling, slap you on the back and say please. please. Okay, and there you go. That's it, boys and girls. Hopefully that'll help you play that number. I say when you play this slide, if you want to do the slide, I'm going from 5 downwards, okay? I'm going from 5 down to 2 really. Okay, just needs a bit of practice. Hopefully, I think it makes it sound a little bit more like the original. So that's it for now, boys and girls. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.